Hello, and welcome to the Nevada Registry's tutorial on navigating the training calendar. This guide is designed to walk you through the steps to easily locate training to meet your professional development needs. Whether you are looking for training to meet the initial training requirements of licensing or are looking for more advanced professional development, you will find everything you need right here. The training calendar is the one-stop shop for professional development and is the best way to ensure that the training you are taking is registry approved. The calendar includes training sessions being offered by many different trainers and organizations. It is important to note that the events listed are not offered by the Nevada Registry. We simply provide the information as a service to the early childhood community in order to help you easily find registry-approved training. We take the guesswork out of it by warehousing everything in one place. This way, you know what is available on a statewide basis. A common misconception is that you need to be a Nevada Registry member in order to take the training. Any training hosted on the training calendar is available to all. In fact, if you are new to the field and need your initial training, this is where you would go to locate it. As you can see, we are currently on the homepage of the Nevada Registry's website, nevadaregistry.org. From here, we will click on the Training Calendar tab at the top of the page. When the screen populates, you will see the entire training calendar and the ability to select and narrow your search for training sessions in a number of different ways. The main function of the training calendar is to help ECE educators narrow down their search for training with as few steps as possible. The calendar lists all training that is currently approved and is open to the public, meaning that these are the training sessions that are open to anyone who is interested in attending. It is important to check the calendar frequently because it can change throughout the day as new events are added. The first field is by training format. This is the first step in narrowing down your search. It is the starting point because it allows you to select the format of training you are looking for. We will practice using this option to search for training that can be taken to meet the initial training requirements of childcare licensing. The quickest way to find free required online initial training courses is to select Online under Training Format and Free under Training Cost. Finally, select the Submit button at the bottom of the page. What you see now is a list of all the free online training currently available, many of which can be taken to meet the initial health and safety training requirements of childcare licensing. In fact, when a training meets a specific licensing requirement, you will see this red text just below the title confirming which requirement can be met and whether it partially meets the requirement or meets it in full. Simply follow the instructions listed in the details to access and register for the training. You will need to register directly with the organization offering the training. Registration cannot be completed through the Nevada Registry's website. The Print Results link at the top of the Search Results page allows you to print all of the events that populated as a result of your search. Click on the printable version link if you'd like to print the details of a particular training. Now, let us go back to the training calendar. Even though the search we just did is the best way to locate the required initial training, you may narrow your search in a number of other ways. Please keep in mind the fewer fields selected will result in a better search. For example, by selecting Online under Training Format and selecting Core Knowledge Area, you will be able to narrow your search to training that fits a specific core knowledge area. This is just another example of how to narrow your search to better suit what you're looking for. We encourage you to try various combinations when narrowing your search. Just remember, when it comes to searching for training, less is more. We hope this brief tutorial has been helpful, especially in locating the initial training requirements of childcare licensing. Thank you for your time and interest.